Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to create this fresh dewy kind of a look for beginners with minimum makeup. So let's get started. If your skin is like super dry, you can apply this bio oil as well. So I'm going to take few drops of bio oil. Just gently applying it everywhere where I need. And if your skin is like normal, you can apply any lotion and then apply CC cream. So today I'm going to use NY BB cream. Taking a generous amount. I'm going to apply it all over my face. So now we're going to, once you're done applying BB cream, then now I'm going to apply my compact. It's Maybelline New York compact powder to set my base. Don't forget your ears. Now I'm going to use my e.l.f. palette to contour my face. With the help of this part, I'm going to contour my face. As this is makeup for beginner, I'm not using any cream product now. Whichever part you are feeling like you want to cut out. I have a double chin, so I'm going to apply it here to define my cheeks, jawline, not cheeks. To just reduce my forehead, just to reduce it. Little bit of contouring I'm doing in this, and a bit of color on my nose just to give it a shape, although I don't have any problem with my nose. Now I'm using eyebrow pencil. This is Chameleon's eyebrow pencil. You can get it from any store, local store. Just going to draw it. First I'm using my spoolie brush. It comes with spoolie. Use it in light strokes. Now I'm going to blend everything nicely so that it don't look fake. I'm going to do the other side of the camera. So it's basically, eyebrows are done, so it's basically a nude, almost nude kind of makeup. So I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution's shimmer break. And I'm going to use this shade, this shade on the front side. And this one to the back side, just to give it a little depth. I'm going to use this bright shimmery color to the tear tip of my eye, and applying same color to my brow bone. And taking my e.l.f. palette again and using this contour powder to the outer corner of my lid. just to enhance a little bit, to create a depth actually. Now I'm going to use my NY Bay eyeliner. Just in the outer corner. And just tight lining it. So eyeliner is done. Now I am moving on to my mascara, and I am using Hyper Lash Curl mascara. Applying same mascara to my lower lashes. Applying brown Kajal to my waterline. Now applying Maybelline's Color Show blush on. Now using Makeup Revolution's brick just to highlight. That's done. Now I am going to apply Nykaa's Khoobsurar 06 shade onto my lips. First I'm going to line my lips. Now I'm going to use my lipstick, Nykaa. It's in pink shade. So, ta-da! So this is the final look with minimum makeup. So I hope you like this video, and if you do like this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Mwah. Love you all, need your love and support. Bye bye. Until next video.